Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly talk about how do you pay with Klarna on booking.com. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up booking.com, and if you have an account you can log into your account, and then once that's done, so we're going to do just make a booking. So add something to you to reserve something, so you can do the bookings and get to your payment options. So just for example here I will just choose or make a random selection. So just choose this option here, and then I'm going to fill in my details so that I can get to the next page here. So click on final and go to this payment option here. So when you get to the payment option here, so now if you want to use Klarna, you need to make sure that your region supports Klarna, because not all regions supports Klarna. So for example here when you get to your payment page here, so if you click on pay now, and then here you will see these different types of options available to you based on your region, and also on the place where you're making the reservation for. So if the region and the place accepts Klarna, then you will see the Klarna options here as well, different types of option. As you can see, this is my options that I have. So this varies depending on your location. So if you don't see Klarna, then unfortunately Klarna is not supported. But if you see Klarna, then you can just simply select that and then continue with your booking, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.